Well, good morning. It's a nice rainy Sunday, Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers. Thought I'd give you a little update on the CNC cabinet. I got all my boxes finished, and the standoffs are in for the boards to sit on. And I made the stainless steel back cover. It came out pretty nice. Stainless is hard to work with, though. It's a lot harder to cut than regular sheet metal. But the power supply box is in, and it's just the same as this, basically, but bigger. So I'm gonna work on, this is my little swivel mount for the monitor I'll set up here, and I'll be able to swivel it out of the way when I put everything up. Yeah, it's just on a funky little tube. Slides out. Came out pretty nice. Gotta finish it up and I'll probably paint it. And yeah, so that's coming along. Gonna start putting it back together. Put the power block back in here. Clean up the inside. And there's a lot of like plasma cutter smoke and steel slag on the walls and stuff. I'll clean all that up and probably throw some paint inside too. But yeah, I'm pretty jazzed. It came out nice. I don't know what else I have to do inside really before I paint. Just clean it, I think. And if I show you my new shop tool. I don't know if you call it a shop tool, but it is now. You know, when I was doing what's it called? Elite Cuisine toaster oven. Pretty big one. I'm going to use it to hopefully do some powder coating. And I thought I might be able to use it too for melting plastic. You know, put a little tube full of plastic in the oven, and I can probably even make, I don't know, two or three more of these pipes, and you know, fill them with plastic and just leave them in the oven until I want to squeeze the plastic out. I think it'll get rid of all the burning from like the torch, how it's kind of changing the color of the plastic, and I think it'll melt much more evenly, like clear inside. I think that's why it took so much pressure for me to squeeze the plastic out, because I was heating up the outside, and the inside, maybe it wasn't melting as good or as even. You know, it was still kind of solid. So I figured just leaving it in the oven should melt it really evenly and not discolor the plastic. So I'll make, I don't know, 2 or 3 more of those little tubes and give it a shot. It'd be kind of nice to just grab a tube, set it on the mold and squeeze it, and then pull it off and fill it with plastic and put it back in the oven and just leave it, you know, you can grab another one if you had just be a lot quicker and less torch work. Another thing I like about this, it's pretty good size. For one, I'll be able to hang some pretty large pieces to powder coat or bake. But also, we've all heard the trick where you set the toaster oven on its back and to put stuff in, hang it in this way. But this one, it's got a pretty good size opening right in the top, and I should be able to make maybe another taller edge to where I can hang stuff and just hang pretty good sized parts in there like that, instead of, you know, turning the oven on its side. I don't know, just an idea, I guess. This one's got It's got a rotisserie. I don't know, I gotta come up with something I can use that for. But I've been wanting one of these for a long time. Just a small oven to do some of that stuff with. I mean, even like heating bearings or heating bushings, races and stuff. I thought this might work good for that. But I've, been pretty cheap lately, and I didn't want to buy one. I just wanted to find one at a Goodwill or something, or someone was throwing one away. But I went and splurged and picked this up at Best Buy. It was $60, so I thought for the size and for everything, it's kind of handy, and it's big, so I just couldn't pass it up. I thought it'd be pretty cool for what I was going to use it for. But I haven't fired it up yet. I'm still waiting for a reason. But I'll dig out my my box of powder coating junk and find something to powder coat. It might be pretty cool. Alright, well, I think I'll get back on working on the CNC. I didn't do anything last week or the week before. Well, except put the standoffs in, so I'll get busy on that. Throw it together a little bit further and get that going. But happy Mother's Day. Take care.